The IN operator in SQL will save you tons of time and code, and after this SQL practice problem, you'll know exactly how to use it. Our prompt is, Mr. Hillsborough gives out letters of recommendation for any student who can obtain a B or higher in his class. Write a query to retrieve the first and last name of the students who scored a B or better on their final exam. Order your output by the first and last name in ascending order. This is just how Mr. Hillsborough prefers it. Checking out our data, we can see we have one table called Students with 4 columns: ID, first name, last name, and grade. Starting with our select statement, the only data that we want are the students' first and last names. We'll be pulling all of our data from the students table. Next, the condition that we want to apply in our where statement is we only want to return students with a grade A or a grade B. We could write it like this, where grade equals A or grade equals B, but there's actually a much better option than this. Imagine instead of just wanting 2 options here, where grade equals A or grade equals B, we actually wanted where the grade equaled anything from A to I. Writing out all of these different ORs takes a lot of time as well as a lot of code and space, which we really don't want to do, but lucky for us, there's a much better option. And that solution is this IN operator. So instead of having to use a million different of those lines starting with OR, all we have to do is use this IN, and we'll put all of the different options in parentheses, separate them all by commas, and now we've saved a ton of time as well as coding space. However, for our problem, we're only interested in students who have the grade A or B. The last thing it wanted us to do was order by first name ascending, then last name ascending. Let's come up here and run our code. And this looks pretty good to me. Let's check our answer. And yay, we did it. Anyway, that's how to use the IN operator. If you want to do some SQL problems like this, I did this one on Analyst Builder. Some of the questions are free, some of the questions aren't. Use code Elijah25 for 25% off your first purchase if you buy something.